I'm taking that off. You ready for this? 24 Sportage. And we have 1 screw, 2 screws behind trap doors. Using your handy dandy tools, you get up under. Drop her open. Alright, pop her open. There's a little notch too. See? Put it right in. Doop. Same with that. I'm not doing that. 2 screws out. And of course, your handy dandy hook tool. Go right there in the corner. And pull, Margot. Really, really pull. Because it will pop out. And then I started going around. Now, Kia clips are tough. They sound like they break. But they actually don't. But right here, you want to make sure you grab with both hands. Because it looks like it'll crack right there if you don't do it properly. And then once you pop it up, pop the last pin out. Right? The handle, the whole door panel comes up a little bit. I got my knee on it, holding it up. Because this little ledge right here hooks onto this. So when you want to put it back on, you have to go up and over. Right? Up and over. So it locks into place. So you can't pull the top out by pulling. It's locked into place. So there you go. Up and out. Now let's play with this guy. There you go. Look at this. Love these new cars. This one. Let's see what we got here. We got a push pin. There you go. Done. She's out. Now, let's get my handy dandy seat. Love this thing. We're gonna take the 4 screws out, obviously. Or 8 mil, if you have an 8 mil. Throw them off. These are 6.5s. Alright. Take the 4 screws. Push it a little bit. Push it a little bit. Lose the screw if you want. It's fine. Alright. 4 screws. And this puppy weighs absolutely nothing. So we need to get brackets for this thing. See if we can find them. I'm telling you people, if you really want to do it yourself, I'd cut these guys right out. Bam, bam, bam. Because the plastic, the cage is the speaker. And if you're going to replace them anyway, who gives it? This is the bracket and you save yourself 20 bucks. But it's always easy to find the bracket. Obviously, we're going to see if we can get the harness as well. And we're going to go into dash speakers, but that'll be another vid because we got to see if it's the same. So, more idiotic stuff from Kia. So when you get to this last push pin, this one right here actually lifts up. Found out the hard way. It did come out the first time around. I did pull hard enough to pull this thing out, but it will leave the door panel on by itself. Let me see if I can let me see if I can duplicate it. Just idiotic. So you got to line this puppy up. You see this yellow thing with that white. Let's see if I can get this. Just idiotic. Just dumb. Just dumb. You see what I'm saying? So putting it back is a little not hard, but gotta make sure they line up. All right. Now, if you pop this thing out, that's what I did. This puppy has to go back in this way. It's this little groove channel. I popped it out without knowing. You see? It's dumb. That has to be in. So I'm sure both hands. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe.